Sound effects also play a huge role into your album art cover animations and not just the song that you're doing it for. So on the short tutorial, tips and tricks, or whatever you want to call it, we're going to be showing you guys how to add sound effects to your album art cover. So here's what we're going to be doing today.
Discovery Roger, go for deploy.
What's good YouTube, it's your boy from benabstract, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share, and check out my other videos. Also welcome. On today's video, we are going to be adding sound effects to our album art cover animation. If you want to see how I animated this album art cover, I have a video on the breakdown series episode 3, and I'll be breaking down how I made this album art cover. You can check that video out, the link is going to be in the description. But on this short tutorial, we are going to be discussing the sound effects. So as you can see, for this album art cover, it's based in outer space. We have our astronaut, we have our moon, and the whole animation starts with him floating and coming towards us on the screen. So for that, I wanted to have out of space sound, ambient sounds, and then for the glitches I added a glitch sound effect, as you can hear, and then I added an astronaut radio thingy sound effect that I got from the NASA website.
Discovery Roger, go for deploy.
And that was the main elements that I wanted to use for that. And then for the second part, I added a atmosphere sound effects, like a deep space atmosphere. So let's hear it.
Discovery Roger, go for deploy.
So that's what we did for that part. Let me just mute it for now. And for the last part, it's the song. From this part, I cropped out the outro of the song, just to have it play in the background, blending in with the ambient sound.
Discovery Roger, go for deploy.
And the volume keeps going up as the cover it's building up, that whole thing. And then from there, I added the part of the song that I wanted to use for the cover, which is this part.
Space. I don't need distractions, I just need that cake. These bitches love my ways.
And that's the whole thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment and share. If you want to support me on Patreon, the link is in the description. And also don't forget, creativity does change everything. I'm out. Peace.